Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car. The 2025 electric camper is redefining the concept of adventure with its cutting-edge design and unparalleled performance. Its exterior is a masterpiece of modern engineering, blending aerodynamics with rugged durability, making it a true game-changer in the world of campers. At first glance, the sleek, futuristic silhouette of the 2025 electric camper immediately catches the eye. The designers have crafted a body that is not only visually striking but also highly functional. The sharp lines and bold curves contribute to its aggressive stance, while the use of lightweight yet sturdy materials ensures durability without compromising efficiency. One of the most distinctive features of this camper is its fully electric powertrain. Unlike traditional campers, which often have a bulky and outdated appearance, the 2025 model embraces innovation with a design that reduces drag and maximizes energy efficiency. The smooth, sculpted panels seamlessly integrate with the overall shape, reducing wind resistance and improving overall range. The front fascia of the camper is truly a sight to behold. The LED light bar stretches across the entire width, creating a futuristic and commanding presence on the road. The headlights, designed with high-intensity laser LEDs, provide exceptional visibility in all conditions, giving the camper an almost spaceship-like aesthetic. The illuminated logo in the center adds a premium touch, signifying its status as a high-end electric vehicle. Moving to the sides, the streamlined body is enhanced by retractable aerodynamic side mirrors. These mirrors are replaced with high-definition cameras that provide a wider and clearer view of the surroundings. The absence of traditional side mirrors not only reduces drag but also contributes to the camper's modern appeal. The doors feature flush-mounted handles that automatically extend when approached, adding to the seamless design. The wheel arches are boldly flared, housing massive all-terrain tires designed for both on-road and off-road adventures. The wheels themselves boast a futuristic design with turbine-inspired alloy rims, not just for aesthetics but also for improved aerodynamics. The self-leveling air suspension system ensures a smooth ride, adjusting automatically based on the terrain. At the rear, the 2025 electric camper continues to impress with its ultra-modern look. A full-width LED taillight bar mirrors the front light design, ensuring visibility even in the harshest conditions. The rear bumper is sculpted for better aerodynamics, while the reinforced underbody skid plate provides additional protection for off-road journeys. One of the most innovative features of this camper is its integrated solar panel system, covering a significant portion of the roof. These high-efficiency panels harness solar energy to extend the battery range, making it perfect for long camping trips without frequent charging stops. The roof also features an automatic deployable awning, offering shade and shelter at the push of a button. The exterior is available in a variety of colors, but the most popular choice is the matte titanium finish, which not only looks stunning but is also resistant to scratches in harsh weather conditions. The anti-glare coating ensures that the vehicle maintains its sleek appearance even after years of use. The history behind the 2025 electric camper is just as fascinating as its design. Developed by one of the leading electric vehicle manufacturers, this camper represents years of research and development in sustainable travel. The idea was to create a vehicle that combines adventure with eco-conscious technology, breaking away from the conventional fuel-guzzling RVs of the past. Performance-wise, the camper is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering instant torque and remarkable acceleration. Unlike traditional campers that struggle with steep inclines, this electric beast can tackle any terrain with ease. The reinforced chassis and skid plates provide additional durability, ensuring that the vehicle remains resilient even in extreme conditions. Charging is another highlight of this model. With ultra-fast charging capabilities, it can gain up to 80% charge in under 30 minutes using high-power charging stations. The intelligent energy management system ensures optimal battery usage, further enhancing the driving range. The 2025 electric camper is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a bold declaration that the future of camping is electric, sustainable, and technologically advanced. With its futuristic design, exceptional performance, and groundbreaking features, this camper is setting new standards in the industry. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a weekend traveler, this electric camper is ready to take you on an adventure like never before. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles right here on Unity Car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you in the next one.